Imagine a world where machines don't just follow commands. They actually think. Not just analyze data, but understand, learn, adapt, and make decisions just like we do. That's the idea behind artificial general intelligence, or AGI. In this video, we'll break down exactly what AGI is, how it differs from today's AI, and explore how it could reshape the world as we know it. Right now, AI is powerful, but it's also specialized. We have models that can diagnose diseases, recognize faces, write poetry, and even code software. But each one is designed for a specific task. These systems can't adapt beyond their programming or transfer what they've learned to other challenges. They don't truly understand context or make independent decisions. That's where AGI comes in. Artificial general intelligence wouldn't just perform one task well. It would learn, reason, and adapt across a wide range of activities, just like we do. If we achieve AGI, the possibilities are endless. In healthcare, AGI could develop new treatments, assist with surgeries, and even predict global outbreaks. In education, it could personalize learning in real time for every student. In transportation, AGI could manage entire fleets of autonomous vehicles and streamline citywide traffic systems. But with that power comes serious ethical concerns. Who controls it? Can it be misused? And how do we make sure AGI aligns with human values? Imagine this. A team of researchers develops an AGI model that begins solving scientific problems faster than any human team ever could. Within weeks, it develops new materials stronger than steel, discovers potential cures for rare diseases, and cracks complex scientific equations once thought unsolvable. It's not just accelerating science, it's redefining what's possible. Humanity isn't leading the charge anymore. It's catching up. Artificial general intelligence could become the most transformative technology in human history. It forces us to rethink what intelligence means, and how we coexist with machines that might one day learn, adapt, and evolve right beside us. What do you think? Will AGI help us thrive, or challenge everything we know about humanity? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AI Tech Pulse for more content on the future of AI. Thanks for watching.